Some programs helping families make ends meet can cut the number of people in Massachusetts living in poverty by almost half and reduce the number of children living in poverty by more than half. As our Chandler Walsh explains, a forum Friday in Worcester looked at strategies and solutions to help those struggling in central Massachusetts.
Almost a third of Worcester children live in poverty. The percentage climbs to more than half when including children living at or within double the federal poverty line. It's a key finding in a MassCap report presented at a Worcester Community Action Council forum Friday.
Conversations about what is poverty today, where have we been, what are the policies that have affected, and what can we continue to do about it going forward.
According to the statewide study, incomes are climbing for households at the top, but the same is not happening for low-wage workers. Jeff Turgeon serves on the Mass Hire Central Region Workforce Board. He says many entry-level jobs in the area don't pay enough to support families.
To get out of poverty, the best way to do that is to help people get back to work. We have to recognize, too, that work in and of itself doesn't necessarily lead to being out of poverty if the job doesn't pay enough.
The WCAC says policies like SNAP, fuel assistance, Head Start, and Social Security have helped cut the number of Massachusetts residents in poverty in half. But Executive Director Jill DeGillis says there's still room for improvement.
Have affordable wages, have affordable housing, accessible transportation, affordable childcare. Those are all the categories that policies can be revised for.
All those factors that play in, all those policy decisions have an impact on one another.
DeGillis says with Worcester's development, it's important people who live locally have workforce training and fill the new jobs.
The work that goes on in the city to build buildings and have a renaissance is always about the people who come and go in and out of those buildings and work for those organizations.
The WCAC says poverty in the area can be reduced by working with other organizations, the city, and public schools to align goals. Chandler Walsh, Worcester News Tonight.